Hi, little rabbits. It's Miss Wilford. Welcome to Online Learning Week 7. I want to go over this week's assignments with you. On Thursday, we have the Zoom meeting at 1 o'clock. If any of you have any questions at all on your grammar page or anything else, we have a new grammar page this week. So let's get right into that because on Friday is when the grammar page is due. This week's is compound subjects and compound verbs. To remind you, a compound subject means the potential of more than one subject, and a compound verb is the potential of more than one verb. So to start with, the first thing we always do is cross out any prep phrases. So to give you an example, on number 1, first preposition I see is in, so you take the preposition and ask what? In Florida, so that's gone. Okay, then you look for any verbs. Vacationed. I'm going to go ahead and use the text box on that too. The text box on this is still by far my favorite feature. Put a little V over that. Now you're looking at what, who or what vacationed. So Doug vacationed and Bride vacationed. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and use both features just to make it as clear as possible for you. So Doug and Bride. And remember, the way to tell what your subjects are is to associate them with the verb. So for example, an and can't go on a vacation, a new can't go on a vacation, but Doug and the bride went on a vacation. And you, in this case, make sure not to tag any adjectives. All right, so that's how to do the first part for compound subjects. When we come down for compound verbs, we do the same process. We get rid of any prepositional phrases. So among the students would be gone, and with them is also gone as a prep phrase. Now, the chances are you're going to have more than one verb, so then I'm next, as always, though, going to look for the verbs. So chatted is a verb, and stood is a verb. Again, I'm going to do my text box on that. Verb over stood and a little V over chatted. And then you ask yourself who stood and chatted. Instructor. So instructor is the subject. Put a little text box over that. There we go. Okay, so that's how to do those. If, again, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of me during my office hours, or you can come visit on our Zoom meeting on Thursday at 1. Okay, so that's how to do the grammar page, then, or an example of each one. Then the next thing on our agenda is to read the cause and effect explanation page, watch the little For the Birds video. It's just a little Pixar video I put up there, and then complete the cause and effect chart. Okay, the little explanation page, very simple, looks like that. Just gives you a little summary of cause and effect. I know you've dealt with cause and effect before, but I'm doing a little review sheet here. And then there'll be a little For the Birds video on Google Classroom for you. And then you fill in the little cause and effect chart on For the Birds. And then this is all to warm up for your tangerine cause and effect chart that you're going to be filling out. I apologize, I'm just now realizing that for some reason it's not up on my choices, so let me pull it off of Google Drive for you right now. I can get it in a second. Here we go. Your cause and effect chart for tangerine looks like this. Keeping in mind, a cause produces a result, and then the effect is the result. So you're just doing a little matching exercise, putting the letter of the correct response on this side. Okay, Take your time, but I don't think you'll have any trouble with it, honestly. If you have any questions at all, again, get a hold of me during my office hours or um, say hi during our Zoom meeting. I hope you all have a great week. Love you all very much. Bye-bye.